fun.
Roll out.
Roll out. Make it hot. Come on. Let's go. Rock. Rock.
All right, I think by now we know what's happening. 3 contestants, they get a minute to perform. The outstanding Queen Ifrica will be one of the judges. You never tell me online, just say everywhere.
Yes, iTunes, Spotify, Deezer.
Spotify?
Yes.
Tell me about that.
VPRecords.com.
So we can get it online.
Yes, all
All right, so the first person up is G. Cyrus. Run the track.
We have to make it. Say this year we have to clearer. We have to make it a TVJ. This year we have to clearer. We have to make it. This year we have to clearer. Watch out. A G Cyrus. Say in a life we have to make it out this year. But last year me see clear, but this year me I see clearer. Money meds I get me high like the planes. I yet still we no fright no figure like a King Fiera. Poor life no easy. Yo me swear I was to feed the cheddar car. Me want no share. And everybody when me know I get take care. So give me we I make me bust like a nuclear. Say 16 pass we never serious, but 2017 yo me swear dog we need the bus me. Touch the road like Sparks and Vini. Just a juggle for the cream cause the money man need it enough. Music me love so see in a black them if you keep it up. Me link up digital work hard and try speed it up man. Tell that the suffering, bread need buttering. So for the new year, me know me must buffering cause in a life we have to make it.
All right, so G. Cyrus, what you say, ma'am?
Out of 5? 3.
You give him a nice 3 as opposed to a 3 that don't so nice. Okay.
I give him a 3 too.
A nice one?
Yeah.
There you go.
I think I give him a nice one and me give him a non nice one.
Well, this next man probably should have win just because of his name.
Miss ya.
You know?
What's it because of his name?
This man should have win
What's
just
his
because
name?
of his name, but I don't know if it goes. So the man named Smeagol Hype.
What?
No, but that name they win.
Really? What? How?
Smeagol Hype.
How you get that name, Smeagol?
Yeah. Who or what is a Smeagol? Anyway, just
No, but that's
run the track with
important.
Smeagol.
Yeah. Magician Records. Don't fight it production. Outstanding. A Smeagol life. The youths them want to live the life. What the youths them want. Horse and car and land shops and big bikes. So the youths them want. Money and blings at girls. Yeah. What the youths them want. They want to make that money and make it right. What the youths them want. What the youths them want. Then make I tell you this, I gotta get what's mine. Yo, me a fierce whether rain or shine. I gotta get rich cause me nah die trying. Yo, outstanding. Yeah, me nah move like me blind. You stop the war and nobody with the crime. Look how much talented youth me see dying. Young baby man me see crying. How are the youths them want? Horse and car and land shops and big bikes. So the youths them want. Big up to TVJ for give me highlight. Outstanding.
Oh, get it. Get them Smeaglicious.
Smeagol, yeah.
Them know you're good.
Yes.
Smeaglicious.
Him nice. Him nice. We give him a nice 4.
Oh, you give him a nice,
A nice
4 as
four, a
opposed
nice
to a not so
And
nice.
that's the big man give him a 4.5.
4.5.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the great Smeaglicious
Smeaglicious.
end up with 8.5.
Richard died
G.
trying.
Cyrus
See what
gets
you did there,
6.
Smeagol.
And this
Yeah,
man
yeah,
now,
yeah.
this man now have an interesting name. This man named 1-3.
Whoa.
Because we don't say 2.
Identified.
TVJ, no blessings for the highlights. They don't know. Like, I'm very mad at this. Television. Sometimes me wonder if my life I go come pretty, and if in the future life I go greater, life I go sticky. Sometimes me wonder if my life I go come pretty. Me I pray to your father, cause we tell you the truth right and no time tricky. My
mother, she a hustle from 16 to 50. Sometimes me wonder if she a hustle till 60. One day me ask her when you a go quit this, even though she still a take care of 6 feet. Me and happy a care for your post grand fit. Me have to go find out just to get rich quick. She retire early from all of this struggling.
Easy one tree. One tree hairstyle look like a tattoo. Eh?
One tree, nice. Yeah, we give one tree.
You give one tree.
You give one tree.
Projection and
She give one tree.
yeah,
Well,
one tree.
and it's not a nice tree you give, just a tree.
No, man, we give a nice tree.
Oh, a
man,
nice tree.
I'm going to give one tree a 4.
You give one tree a 4,
Yeah.
which means 7. So according to our judges, Smeagol Hype,
Smeagolicious.
who is the first man
What I can call?
Margaret and me.
Want it? I was just saying to Africa that he could
No
use a
call.
little
So
bit.
Smeagol
Fatten
Hype,
up.
who probably should be a muggle, when take us out. Smeagol Hype contrast. But everybody did nice
Yeah, I
this
look like
morning.
Savage too. I look like Savage.